Welcome. In front of me is a Nubia Pad 3D, and today I'll show you how you can factory reset this device through settings. So to get started, we're going to open up our settings, and in here you want to scroll all the way down to System. In here you'll find reset options. Now I do want to point out one thing that I have just literally found out. If you don't have internet connection right now, if you're not connected to any kind of Wi-Fi, this option is grayed out, so you can't actually access it. And just kind of showcase this, I am going to turn off my Wi-Fi, and I believe it should disappear. No, never mind, it's still visible. But I did try to record it just a moment ago, and without network, this option was grayed out and I could not click on it. So I just wanted to point that out. If you see the option grayed out, connect to the network and then go back and reopen it, and you should now have it available to you. And here we can select erase all data, factory reset. When you do so, it will give you a list of data that will be removed by this process. So quickly going over the options here, we have things like music, photos, user data, download apps, system apps, data, settings, and accounts. Now in reality, only the three bottom options, the music, photos, and user data, will matter, as these are primarily what I would consider user actual data. So something that is more unique to you. Like music, if you keep it locally, obviously, it would be a pain in the ass if you had to just re-download everything if you lose all your library. Photos, obviously, if you capture them, they're not backed up anyway, they're just gone. So something to keep in mind, and same goes for just general user data. So make sure that you have everything backed up that you want to preserve. From there we can select erase all data. If you have some kind of screen lock, you will need to confirm it right over here. And then select erase all data once more. This will now begin factory resetting your device, and this process will take about 1 to maybe 2 minutes to finish up. Once it's completed, we should then be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.